There's still 40% more people voted in 16 than in 12.
Yeah, the turnout was tremendous.
13,000 versus over 18,000.
And just for fun, the next graph is based on generational differences in party affiliation by gender. And this I put together just to see. Sometimes you just say, well, I'll look at this. And it doesn't have any, big, huge importance. Can you shrink that down because it's not all on the screen?
Sorry, mouse giving me grief. Zoom, it's at 100%. So.
Yeah, just go 75 or something.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm trying to do. But my mouse is not cooperating.
Oh, okay. Let's just do this.
There's a slide bar in the lower right corner that will do it too, where it says 100%, just slide that around.
On the right corner?
Lower right bottom.
No, on the bottom. Okay, gotcha. I don't use it, that's why I don't really. I'm not used to this mouse.
Just tap on it.
Yeah,
Move the arrow about right here and tap.
okay.
No? Okay, so
It's not moving. Sorry, guys.
basically all this is saying is that I took the Democrats and the Republicans and I broke them down by men and women. And so when you do the math, it shows that 778 more female Democrats than male. And on the Republican side, there's 203 more male Republicans than females. So pretty even breakout for Republicans and a few more female Democrats than male. I was thinking, well, this is a League of Women Voters. I'm kind of look at the gender.
Was it consistent across all of them? All 8 of them?
What do you mean consistent?
Proportionately, did male-female ratio remain the same?
It does. Well, you can see in Democrats for the baby boomers.
Yeah.
How's that? Is that better?
So you can see for the baby boomers, there's quite a few more female Democrats than males. But in Generation X, again, more females than males. So yeah, I would say the trend is Democrats tend to be female,
There.
where Republicans tend to be male, or even, pretty even. Baby boomers are split 50-50 pretty much. Okay, and our last slide is going to be the general election statistics. General, this would be, it'll say LWB general election.
That went on the wrong way.
That, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, just not used to using the laptop mouse. There.
Now you're going to have to really shrink it.
I really did have to think it.
By precinct.
Let's try this again. Okay. Here first. Is that better?
No, I need it more
Use the
smaller.
minus.
Smaller.
Other way.
Other way.
you slide this bar so we can get Harvard off of the bottom of the file?
Okay. Oh, I don't want to do that. I'll do this one better.
Oh,
Up, wrong way?
you're gonna have to slide it a little smaller.
Okay. All right. 50, 42. Ooh.
Boy, it's getting smaller.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Well, let's look at just 18, precinct 18 up at
Okay,
Turner.
let's try that.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just come back this little ways.
There we go.
There we go.
Okay. So these are our pre-election registered voters that you can see in Moscow. These were people who registered to vote on election day. So we add those together and we get our total registered voters in each of the precincts. Then I listed the absentees, the people that voted absentee.
A lot.
And if you look at the total number of ballots cast and compare it with how many of those ballots were absentees, you're going to see some precincts like Precinct 5, which is right here. 70, what does it say? 74% of Precinct 5 voted absentee. That's a lot of people voting absentee. And there's 4 different precincts that are in the 70 percentiles. Precinct 9, which is just above 5, 72%. Let's see. 13, which is over here, south of the university, had the highest at 75%.
So that also includes then early voting, right? Is that what the absentee means?
Yes, it does. Yeah. So this is the final cume like. The other interesting piece is when you look at the university, the highest number of same-day registrations came in precinct 6.
Precinct 6?
No, wait. Election day registration.
Probably
7 and 8.
2, there was
68.
676.
Yeah. 8, yeah.
Oh, precinct 8, yeah, 677.
That's campus.
But they didn't, and there are only 11% of absentees, but a lot of same-day registrations up on campus.
And what precinct is that? 8.
Yeah, so this is where all the dorms are and everything, precinct 8. So we had a total of 5,200 absentee ballots. And if you scroll this right here, bar down, so we can see the rural counties.
So Henry, and total ballots is all of the votes cast, absentee and same day, and then the percentage on the far right is the percentage within that precinct,
Of turnout.
okay,
Yeah.
of eligible voters,
Right.
people who actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So this end of it will show you more that in the rural areas, they're not voting a lot of absentee. Troy was high at, really, that's quite a lot of people from Troy coming in and voting absentee.
But
Or
they-
requesting a ballot be mailed to them or coming into the office.
Now, you can only vote absentee by mail or at the courthouse,
Right,
no place else.
right. Correct. So if you look at the almost 5,200 absentee ballots, and you look at the total ballots cast, it was significant.
That's close to a third.
In fact, when I was trying to figure out how many ballots to order for absentees, I looked at how many ballots we ordered for the last Obama election, and I added 1,000. I thought, well, that'll be plenty. And then, as the lines kept getting longer, and I don't know if that was attributed to all the voter registration drives. You know, we were out at the fair registering voters, and League of Women Voters had registration day, and you know, I was out to about 5 different community club events talking about election and getting registered, and the cutoff date was coming, and you know, I tried to put out a lot of signs and put stickers on the newspaper, be sure to register to vote, or you can vote absentee at the courthouse on Saturday. And if that, you know, is a reflection of some of that encouragement to the community, or if we would have had that anyway, I don't know. But we were able to get a room downstairs at the courthouse, set up 2 computer terminals down there, and as I saw how strong the turnout was going to be, I thought I better order some more absentee ballots. Well, they were supposed to overnight ship them. I had like 200 left in the morning, and I knew the lines were long, and they didn't come. When the truck arrived, there were no ballots on it. And I was down to the last few